welcome you to online physics classes. In the previous class, we discussed displacement current, and in this class, we are going to discuss some of the numericals based on displacement current. So, without wasting the time, let us start with the first numerical. As you can see, the first numerical, a capacitor is made of two circular plates, each of radius 12 cm and separated by a distance of 5 cm. The capacitor is being charged by an external source. The charging current is constant and is equal to 0.15 ampere. In this question, there are three sub questions. In first question, we will have to find the capacitance of the capacitor, which is denoted by C. And in the second question, that is in question number B, we will have to find the rate of change of potential difference, that is dV by dt. And in third question, we will have to find the displacement current, that is denoted by ID. So let us start. What is given in the question? A capacitor is made of two circular plates, each of radius 12 cm and separated by a distance of 5 cm. So let us consider two plates of a capacitor. Let this be two plates of a capacitor. Let the distance between the plate of the capacitor be d. Let r be the radius of the plates of the capacitor, and let I current be flowing through the circuit. Then what is given? It is given that d is equal to 5 cm, or we can say 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. R is equal to 12 cm, or we can say 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and I it is given 0.15 ampere. Now in question number A, we will have to find C, capacitance. In question number B, we will have to find dV by dt, that is rate of change of potential difference, and in question number C, we will have to find ID, that is displacement current. Now in order to find the capacitance of the capacitor, we need a formula. So let us derive the formula first. As we know that E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square, or what we can say 1 by 4 pi, we will bring this R square here, R square into Q by epsilon naught, and we know that this is 4 pi R square, this is area 1 by A into Q by epsilon naught. Therefore, we get E is equal to Q by epsilon naught into A. Now what we know, V is equal to E into D. This is the relation between electric field intensity and potential difference, which we have already studied in the first chapter of physics, that is in electrostatics. So we will put the value of E here in this equation. Then what we will get? Q by epsilon naught into A into D. We will bring this Q here. What we will get? V by Q is equal to D by epsilon naught into A, or we can say Q by V is equal to epsilon naught into A by D. Since we know that C is equal to Q by V, in electrostatics we have studied that capacitance, that is C, capacitance is equal to Q by V, or we can say C is equal to epsilon naught into A by D. This formula we will use in this problem. We will write it here so that we can use it smoothly. Okay. Now what is given? D is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. R is equal to 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. I is equal to 0.15 ampere. And we know the value of epsilon naught, that is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. We will put all these values here, then what we will get? 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 into A, that is pi R square, pi into R. We know R, 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square by D, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Then what we will get? 8.85 into pi, that is 3.14 into 12 square, that is 144 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power 2. On solving this, we will get 800 into 10 to the power minus 14 is equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 12 is equal to 8 picofarad. That is C. So we got the value of C, that is 8 picofarad, or we can say C is equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 12. Now we will see the second question, that is question number B. In question number B, we have to find dV by dt, that is rate of change of potential difference. So since we know that C is equal to Q by V, or we can say Q is equal to C into V. Now what we will do, we will differentiate it with respect to time, that is with respect to t. So what we will get, dq by dt is equal to C, that is constant, dV by dt. We know that dq by dt, that is the rate of flow of charge. We know that the rate of flow of charge is current. Therefore we can say, or we can say I is equal to C into dV by dt. Or we can say dV by dt is equal to I by C. Now we will put the value here, I, that is 0.515, and C, that is 8 into 10 to the power minus 12. 8 into 10 to the power minus 12. On solving this, we will get 187. On solving this, we will get 187 into 10 to the power 9 volt per second. That is dV by dt. Rate of change of potential difference, that is 187 into 10 to the power 9 volt per second. Now we will discuss question number C. In question number C, we will have to find the displacement current, that is ID. So in the previous class, we studied that ID is equal to epsilon naught into d phi E by dt. Epsilon naught into d phi E by dt, or we can say epsilon naught into d by dt into E into A, or we can say epsilon naught into A into dE by dt, or what we can say epsilon naught into A into d by dt V by d. Since we know that V is equal to E into d, therefore we can say that E is equal to V by d. That's why we put here V by d in place of E. So what will happen, epsilon naught into A by d into dV by dt. Now what we will do, we will put the value of epsilon naught A by d, that is C, that is 8 into 10 to the power minus 12 into d by dt. We will put this formula, this value, so that our calculation may be easy. Into 0.15 by 8 into 10 to the power minus 12. What we will get, 0.15 ampere. Therefore ID, that is displacement current, equal to 0.15 ampere. This is the answer of the last question. It is question number C. Now we will discuss the second question. Second question देखिए क्या है कि obtain the rate of change of potential difference across the parallel plates of a capacitor having 1 microfarad capacitance carrying a current of 1 ampere in space. ध्यान दीजिएगा, इसमें स्पेस दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग को क्या क्या दिया हुआ है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में हम लोग को क्या क्या दिया हुआ है कि कैपेसिटेंस दैट इज डिनोटेड बाय C, कैपेसिटेंस इज 1 माइक्रोफैराड, दैट इज 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 फराड। ओके, और करंट क्या दिया हुआ है हम लोगों को, करंट दिया हुआ 1 एम्पियर। अब हम लोग इसको जो है सॉल्व करते हैं, ये हम लोग को दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। तो हम लोग जानते हैं कि C इक्वल टू Q बाय V, और हम लोग क्या करेंगे, C इक्वल टू Q बाय V, और वी कैन से Q इक्वल टू C इंटू V। सो इसको हम लोग डिफरेंशिएट कर देंगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, दैट इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t। तो क्या हो जाएगा, dq बाय dt इज इक्वल टू C इंटू dV बाय dt। ओके, और हम लोग क्या जानते हैं, dq बाय dt दैट इज रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज, इट लीड्स टू करंट दैट इज I is equal, therefore I is equal to C into dV by dt, or we can say dV by dt is equal to I by C। अब हम लोग यहाँ पर वैल्यू पुट करेंगे। I हम लोग का कितना दिया हुआ है, I दिया हुआ 1 एम्पियर, दैट इज 1, एंड C कितना दिया हुआ है 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6। तो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा 10 टू द पावर 6 वोल्ट पर सेकेंड, दैट इज dV by dt। dV by dt क्या, चेंज ऑफ रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, दैट इज 10 टू द पावर 6 वोल्ट पर सेकेंड। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आसानी से बन गया। हम लोग चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखिए। अब a parallel plate capacitor of plate separation 2 mm is connected in an electric circuit having source voltage 400 volt. What is the value of the displacement current for 1 microsecond if the plate area is 60 centimeter square? देखिए हम लोग को क्या क्या दिया हुआ है, प्लेट सेपरेशन। प्लेट सेपरेशन यानी क्या, D। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, प्लेट सेपरेशन क्या, D। दोनों प्लेट के बीच की दूरी दैट इज D। कितना दिया हुआ है 2 मिलीमीटर, दैट इज 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 मीटर। ओके, नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज गिवन, हैविंग सोर्स वोल्टेज 400 वोल्ट, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दैट इज 400 वोल्ट, and time that is 1 microsecond, it means 10 to the power minus 6 second, and area that is 60 centimeter square equal to 60 into 10 to the power minus 4 मीटर स्क्वायर। हम लोग को क्या निकालना है, ID that is डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट हम लोग को निकालना है। तो हम लोगों ने अभी भी प्रीवियस जो सवाल हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया उसमें हम लोगों ने देखा कि आईडी का क्या होता है एक्सप्रेशन। हम लोग प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी, प्रीवियस क्लासेस में भी हम लोग ने देखा था कि आईडी का क्या होता है, दैट इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट का एक्सप्रेशन क्या होता है। तो चलिए हम लोग डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट का निकालते हैं। आईडी हम लोग जान रहे हैं कि एप्सिलॉन नॉट डी इंटू फाई ई बाय डी टी, और वी कैन से एप्सिलॉन नॉट इंटू E by T into A, since phi E is equal to E into A. Okay, or we can say epsilon naught by T into A into E, हम लोग जान रहे हैं V by D. Okay, और हम लोग क्या करेंगे, epsilon naught A by D into T into V, okay, into V. What will happen, we know the value of epsilon naught, that is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12, and area that is given here 60 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square by D, that is separation between the plates, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into time 10 to the power minus 6 into volt, that is 400 volt. Okay, now what will happen, we will write 8.85 into 60 by 2 into 400 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, now what we will get here, on solving this we will get 1.062 into 10 to the power minus 2 ampere. This will be ID, it means displacement current. This will be the value of displacement current. Okay, in the next video we will discuss some other topics and we will discuss some other numericals. Thank you.